In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to Hostinger website builder. All you need to do is to click on these little three dots or website settings, go to integrations, then click on connect and fill in your Google Analytics ID. In order to have a Google Analytics ID, you need to create an account on Google Analytics website. To visit Google Analytics, just go to analytics.google.com. Then log in to your Google account. If you don't have one, you need to create it. Then click on Start Measuring. Give your account a name, for example, Ben's Adventures. Check Google products and services and uncheck the other options. Click on Next. Give your property a name, for example, it can also be Ben's Adventures blog. Select your reporting time zone and currency. Click Next. For the industry category, it is required and it is also important to select the closest one or the exact one to your site, because after that you will start seeing comparisons between your site and competitors in the same industry. In my case, I will go with travel. My business size is small. Choose your business objectives. Google, generate leads, drive online sales. Yes, I want to generate leads, drive online sales. I'm not interested in driving online sales. Raise brand awareness. No. Examine user behavior. Yes. Get baseline report. No. Click on I accept. Scroll down a little bit, then accept again, then hit the I accept button. My platform is a website. My website URL is Ben's test. My URL is benstestinghosting.com. My website Ben's Adventures. Then click on create and continue. And this is my Google Analytics ID. Click on copy, then go back to Hostinger and hit save. As you can see, data collection is pending. Click on continue to home and check all and save. Close this window, dismiss this top bar. Now you should receive your first report in the next 24 hours.